Are you struggling with various health issues and looking for a natural remedy? Have you heard about the incredible benefits of neem leaves but don't know how to incorporate them into your daily routine? In this video, we will explore the numerous health benefits and uses of neem leaves, also known as margosa, and how they can improve your overall well-being. Number 14. Versatile health benefits. Neem leaves are packed with numerous health benefits and medicinal properties. They can be used to create a wide range of products, including creams, oils, pastes, powders, and extracts. Additionally, the leaves can be dried and used in herbal teas, offering a natural way to boost your health. These versatile applications make neem leaves an essential ingredient in many traditional and modern remedies. By incorporating neem into your daily routine, you can harness its powerful properties to support overall wellness. Number 13. Natural skin toner and moisturizer. Neem is a natural skin toner and moisturizer, making it highly effective in treating various skin disorders. It can help reduce acne, scars, blackheads, and pigmentation, leading to clearer and healthier skin. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of neem soothe irritated skin and promote healing. Regular use of neem-based products can result in a smoother, more radiant complexion. Whether used in creams, pastes, or oils, neem offers a natural solution for maintaining beautiful skin. Number 12. Effective flea treatment for pets. Neem oil, extracted from neem seeds, serves as a natural flea treatment for animals. It not only helps in eliminating fleas, but also soothes itchy skin, providing relief to your pets. The oil's antibacterial and antifungal properties ensure your pets remain free from infections. Applying neem oil to your pet's coat can protect them from parasites and enhance their overall skin health. This natural remedy is a safer alternative to chemical treatments, ensuring the well-being of your furry friends. Number 11. Treats scalp and hair issues. The antibacterial properties of neem make it ideal for treating dry scalp, head lice, dandruff, and hair loss. Applying neem oil or using neem-infused water can significantly improve scalp health. Neem helps balance the scalp's natural oils, reducing dryness and irritation. It also strengthens hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Regular use of neem-based hair products can result in a healthier scalp and more vibrant hair. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Neem extract-infused water can act as a skin and muscle relaxant due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Soaking in neem-infused water can help soothe aching muscles, feet, and scalp, providing much-needed relief. The anti-inflammatory compounds in neem reduce swelling and pain, making it effective for muscle recovery. This natural remedy can be particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Incorporating neem baths into your routine can enhance relaxation and support overall physical well-being. Number 9. Tames frizzy hair. Shampooing with neem paste can help manage frizzy hair. The natural compounds in neem smoothen the hair, making it more manageable and less prone to frizz. Neem's conditioning properties nourish the hair, reducing dryness and split ends. Regular use of neem paste as a shampoo can result in softer, shinier hair. This natural solution is especially beneficial for those with curly or unruly hair types, providing a way to achieve sleek, smooth locks. Number 8. Extensive medicinal uses. Different parts of the neem tree have over 140 isolated compounds used in various treatments and products. This versatility makes neem a valuable resource in both traditional and modern medicine. From the leaves to the bark, each part of the neem tree offers unique health benefits. These compounds are utilized in treating a wide range of conditions, from infections to chronic diseases. Neem's extensive medicinal applications highlight its importance as a holistic health remedy. Number 7. Speeds up burn healing. Applying water infused with neem on burns can speed up the healing process. Neem's natural disinfecting properties protect the skin from infections and promote faster recovery. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects of neem soothe the burn site, reducing pain and swelling. This natural remedy can be used for minor burns and other skin injuries. By incorporating neem into your first aid routine, you can enhance wound healing and protect against complications. Number 6. Traditional remedies for illnesses. Neem bark has been traditionally used to treat serious conditions such as chickenpox and malaria. Its potent medicinal properties make it an effective remedy for these illnesses. The antiviral and antimalarial compounds in neem help combat these diseases at their source. In traditional medicine, neem bark is often brewed into teas or used in topical applications. This time-tested remedy continues to be valued for its ability to address severe health issues. Number 5. Broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties. Neem is known for its antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and antimutagenic properties. It effectively treats various conditions, including intestinal worms, eye disorders, leprosy, diabetes, gum disease, and liver problems. The broad-spectrum antimicrobial action of neem makes it a powerful natural remedy. By targeting multiple pathogens, neem helps maintain overall health and prevent infections. Regular use of neem can support the immune system and enhance the body's natural defenses. Number 4. Anticarcinogenic effects. Scientific studies have shown that neem can neutralize cancer-causing substances, acting as an anticarcinogenic. The bioactive compounds in neem inhibit the growth and proliferation of cancer cells. Regular consumption of neem can be a preventive measure against cancer, supporting overall cellular health. This natural remedy offers a complementary approach to traditional cancer treatments, promoting wellness and longevity. Number 3. Stomach ulcer. Prevention. Consuming neem can prevent and heal stomach ulcers. Its soothing properties help maintain a healthy digestive system and alleviate stomach issues. Neem's anti-inflammatory effects reduce gastric inflammation, protecting the stomach lining from damage. This natural remedy can be incorporated into a balanced diet to support digestive health. By preventing ulcers, neem helps ensure a smooth and comfortable digestive process. Number 2. Natural insect repellent. Neem creams are excellent natural insect repellents. Applying neem cream on the skin can keep insects at bay, providing protection from bites and stings. The active compounds in neem repel mosquitoes, ticks, and other pests, reducing the risk of insect-borne diseases. This natural solution is safe for both adults and children, offering a chemical-free alternative to conventional repellents. Neem-based insect repellent creams are essential for outdoor activities and travel. Number 1. Culinary uses. Neem leaves can be boiled and eaten as part of a balanced diet. They are often used in seafood dishes, adding a unique flavor and numerous health benefits to the meal. The bitter taste of neem leaves enhances the flavor profile of various dishes while providing essential nutrients. Consuming neem leaves regularly can support overall health and well-being. This versatile ingredient can be incorporated into salads, soups, and stews for a nutritious boost. Incorporating neem leaves into your daily routine can offer a wide range of health benefits, from improving skin health and treating scalp issues to speeding up burn healing and preventing stomach ulcers. The versatility of neem, with its antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, makes it an essential natural remedy. By using neem in various forms such as oils, creams, and teas, you can enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.